Welcome to 3617 Rain Lily Lane here in the amazing resort-style community of Hampton Lakes at River Hall. My name's David Burnham from Compass, and I'm about to show you a spectacular 3-bedroom plus den, 3-bathroom, over 2,200 square foot home on a gorgeous sunset view lake lot here in sunny Southwest Florida. This is a wide open concept, 3-bedroom plus den, 3-bathroom home with over 2,200 square feet, a massive island kitchen that opens up to a spectacular great room with 3 large panel sliders looking out on this western exposure lakeview lot. Hampton Lakes at River Hall is a resort-style community boasting beautiful amenities, including a resort-style pool, a clubhouse, full fitness center with fitness studios, tennis, pickleball, basketball, and so much more. You gotta check this place out. Well, thanks for checking out 3617 Rain Lily Lane here in Hampton Lakes at River Hall. Again, my name's David Burnham from Compass. If you watch this video, pat yourself on the back. You just found a great place. Call me today and let's make it yours. 239-834-4365. See you here soon.